Hello kids! Let's learn 50 action word sentences. Are you excited? Let's start. I am running.
I am running.
I am jumping.
I am jumping.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am singing.
I am singing.
I am sitting.
I am sitting.
I am standing.
I am standing.
I am waving.
I am waving.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am pushing.
I am pushing.
I am shouting.
I am shouting.
I am jumping high.
I am jumping high.
I am finding.
I am finding.
I am catching.
I am catching.
I am throwing.
I am throwing.
I am climbing.
I am climbing.
I am hopping.
I am hopping.
I am skipping.
I am skipping.
I am spinning.
I am spinning.
I am crawling.
I am crawling.
I am sliding.
I am sliding.
I am swimming.
I am swimming.
I am flying.
I am flying.
I am swinging.
I am swinging.
I am shaking.
I am shaking.
I am stretching.
I am stretching.
I am pointing.
I am pointing.
I am laughing.
I am laughing.
I am crying.
I am crying.
I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am eating.
I am eating.
I am drinking.
I am drinking.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am writing.
I am writing.
I am drawing.
I am drawing.
I am coloring.
I am coloring.
I am painting. I am playing.
I am playing.
I am kicking.
I am kicking.
Great job!